Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Barb and you're at Barb Beauty, and today is day 14 of my 31 days of Halloween. We are almost at the midway point of the month and I can't believe that I've been posting every day and that these videos are getting up, and I'm loving how they're turning out, and I'm really glad you guys are enjoying them too. For today's video, I'm doing a Scarecrow makeup. I already did my foundation, concealer, powder, and my brows, and I will get to the rest of the makeup in the video. And per usual, I will go over wardrobe and accessories at the end of the video. Follow all my social media down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's get on with this Scarecrow makeup tutorial. Okay guys, this is the final Scarecrow makeup look. So for my wardrobe, I'm wearing a white t-shirt, this really ugly orange flannel, but it goes perfectly, this straw paper hat, and I threw in some black contacts, which just gives it that, like, I don't know, it just makes it so much better. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I really think that this is such a super cute and easy look to do for Halloween. I hope to see you in my next one, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to follow my social media and subscribe, and yeah, bye guys.